Hi guys, how can you create this cinematic radial spin blur effect in Photoshop? First, create a duplicate copy of your background layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Next, right-click on the duplicated layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now, go to Filter Blur Radial Blur. Use the following settings: Set Amount, 24, Blur Method, Spin. Then press OK. After the blur is applied, click on the Smart Filter Mask. Select the brush tool with a soft round brush. Set the brush size to around 171 pixels and make sure the foreground color is black. Paint over the main subject in the center of the image to remove the blur from important areas and keep the focus on your subject. Next, add a solid color adjustment layer and choose a dark gray color. Now convert this layer into a smart object. Go to Filter, Noise, add noise and use these settings. Amount, 10.12% and distribution, uniform and disable monochromatic change. The layer's blend mode to multiply. Next, add another solid color adjustment layer and choose a warm orange color. Change the blend mode to soft light and lower the opacity to around 38%. This will add a cinematic warm tone to the image. Finally, hold Shift and select all the effect layers, then click on File to place them into a group. And that's it. This is before a normal image, and that is after a dramatic cinematic portrait with a radial spin blur, subtle film grain, and warm color grading. This is a quick and effective way to create a professional-looking cinematic radial blur effect in Photoshop.